because my mother was going to school and working and making some money, she saved up enough money so that he could leave Europe, and they were contemplating a couple of places where would he be able to go and get to, and he didn't have family or anybody to sponsor him, so she went to this Uncle Sam and asked him, please sponsor him, and he refused. He said no. He says, there's plenty of young people here, you're in America now, and you got a job and you can earn a living and you're a nice looking girl, you can just be happy here, forget him. And she got mad at him, and she never forgave him for that. So she took a ship. My father was able to get out of Europe finally through France and get on I'll show you a picture of him standing by a ship with a suitcase, and everything in that little cardboard suitcase was all he had, and he went to Argentina. They decided to pick a country that she would be able to get to and he could get to, and that's what they did. So she worked till she had enough money for him to pay passage for him to get there, and then she took a ship that she was the only woman on with 26, it was a freighter, and the family just was very angry, upset with her leaving, but she went to Argentina and they were married there, and she became his sponsor as his wife and her husband, and they came back to Detroit together. And that's their story.